So this morning started something kind of exciting. We're taking off the forks that was originally on the XVS. I'm gonna soon be putting on, oh gosh, that's heavy, these springers, 20-inch. So finally something like drastic is happening to the appearance, which is really exciting. The next thing we need to do is, I've got to turn this back around now, is I got to order in a custom stem, because this one is not the same as this one. So yeah, I'm going to take a couple of measurements, pop this bad boy out, get the new one, pop that one back in. I didn't take a video of me undoing the forks and taking them out because my dad was actually helping me because I'm not physically strong enough to take off some nuts and bolts. But yeah, super exciting. I'm going to quickly go show you the bike right now. So today I'm going to be grinding the stem out of this, I don't know if you can see that very well there, there's a little welded spot here where the stem's been obviously forged into the forks. I should have explained earlier, if not I'll explain later why I'm doing that, why I've got to take it out. It's just so it can fit into the head of the XVS because they're not the same. Yeah, let's get into it, I guess. A little bit nervous I'm going to fuck this one up. I've not grinded enough, really, to be doing something like this, but we'll get on with it. Right, I gotta be really careful about that camera angle because if I get anything in it, it's gonna fuck up my lens. So, we'll see. I'm a fucking muppet. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm starting to grind down on the side of the forks, which is not really what I wanted, but oh well. I'm gonna try and go in with a smaller piece. Let me see if I can grab it. Yeah, there's a smaller head here, and hopefully I'll get the last bit down. I don't know, wait, let me... So I've got, I don't know if you can see how flat that is from a side angle, but it's like not even 5mm difference, but there's quite a bit of a bump at the front here. The back it's fairly flat. Just need to grind down the front here that I can't really get to because of obviously these two bits, brackets, there's the one, brackets there, so yeah, as I did show you, I've got this little tool, should be able to do the trick, so we'll do that next. Hopefully we can kind of just bonk it and it'll fall out. But we'll see. So me and Pops are going down to the shop today to get the stem machined up. I've been able to take it out now. It took a little bit of a while to get all the way in there, but there we go. What actually was the problem was, I don't know if you can see in there, it was all the way welded in. It didn't even have like a little top hat type part to it. It was just proper deep in the fork welded in, so yeah. Video's probably gonna have a second part just because I don't know how long it's gonna take for the shop to get back to us. If you couldn't tell, it's during quarantine I'm videoing all this, so it might take them a while, it might not. So yeah, I'll just upload another video later when it's all done and I've put it all together. My two babies.